One motorcycle refused to play by the rules. While other cruisers chased bigger engines, flashy electronics, and impossible price tags, the Honda Shadow Sabre 1100 quietly built a reputation for becoming one of the most respected hidden legends on two wheels. And here's the crazy part. Even in 2026, riders are hunting this bike down faster than ever. Pause. A machine that officially disappeared almost 20 years ago is suddenly becoming one of the hottest names in the used cruiser market. That's not nostalgia. That's proof that Honda built something almost impossible to replace. The Honda Shadow Sabre 1100 wasn't designed to scream for attention. It was designed to outlast trends. And today, that's exactly why people are falling back in love with it. Underneath that stretched cruiser body sits a 199cc V-twin engine that delivers pure old-school character. No complicated ride modes, no giant touchscreens, no distractions, just torque, reliability, and that deep rumbling sound every cruiser fan loves. But here's where things get interesting. The motorcycle industry is changing fast. Riders are starting to move away from expensive, technology-heavy motorcycles and searching for simpler machines that can still be trusted 10 years from now. Pause. That's creating a massive resurgence for older Honda cruisers. Industry news is actually helping the Shadow Sabre 1100 become more valuable than ever. Honda is heavily focused on modern bikes like the Rebel lineup and smaller Shadow models, while the legendary 1100 platform remains discontinued. The VT 1100 Shadow family officially ended production back in 2007, and Honda never created a true direct replacement. That decision is creating an entirely new demand. Motorcycle communities are exploding with riders buying clean Shadow Sabre models instead of spending huge money on brand new cruisers. Across online forums and marketplaces, riders are actively searching for low-mileage examples because they know one thing: they don't make bikes like this anymore. And honestly, they're right. The Shadow Sabre was Honda's street rod cruiser. It had lower gearing than other Shadow 1100 models, which gave it a stronger punch when accelerating away from a stoplight while still keeping Honda's legendary shaft drive reliability. Imagine this. You twist the throttle, the bike doesn't explode with terrifying power. Instead, it gives you smooth confidence, predictable acceleration, endless comfort, and enough muscle to dominate highways without feeling intimidating. That's exactly why riders still love it. Now let's talk about something happening inside the motorcycle market right now. Used cruiser prices are climbing, not because manufacturers planned it, because riders are choosing value over hype. Many enthusiasts are skipping expensive new motorcycles and buying older Honda cruisers because maintenance costs remain low and reliability remains incredible. Community discussions in 2026 continue to praise the Shadow 1100 family for its simplicity and durability. And that's bringing us to showroom news. Here's the important update. You won't find a brand new Honda Shadow Sabre 100 inside a Honda dealership because production ended years ago. But many showrooms and motorcycle dealers are aggressively sourcing clean used examples because demand keeps growing. If a low-mileage Shadow Sabre enters a showroom today, don't expect it to sit there for weeks. It won't. Dealers know exactly what they have. Availability has become one of the biggest stories surrounding this motorcycle. Riders who once ignored older cruisers are now competing to buy them. Some dealerships are even offering financing options for certified pre-owned units because older Honda cruisers continue attracting buyers who want affordable ownership. And here's something surprising. Custom modifications are becoming a huge trend again. Chrome accessories, LED headlight conversions, leather saddlebags, passenger backrests, modern tires. Riders are turning 20-year-old Shadow Sabres into motorcycles that look showroom fresh. Think about that. A bike introduced at the beginning of the 2000s is competing for attention against modern motorcycles in 2026. That's rare. Very rare. Now let's talk about why Honda stopped building it in the first place. Back in the early 2000s, motorcycle manufacturers entered what many riders call the displacement war. Bigger engines became the obsession. Honda shifted focus toward the VTX lineup, offering larger displacement and newer technology. Meanwhile, the Shadow 100 platform slowly disappeared from the spotlight before ending production in 2007. But sometimes, manufacturers accidentally create legends. The Shadow Sabre became one, because riders eventually realized something. Bigger doesn't always mean better. Technology doesn't always mean smarter, and expensive doesn't always mean more fun. The Shadow Sabre proves all three. Its low seat height makes it approachable. Its shaft drive reduces maintenance headaches. Its V-twin engine delivers dependable performance year after year. And perhaps most importantly, it never tries too hard. There's confidence in simplicity. That's exactly what this motorcycle represents. Now, if you're currently shopping for one, pay attention. Clean examples are becoming harder to find. The motorcycles with complete maintenance records are disappearing quickly. Original paint is becoming more valuable. Stock exhaust systems are becoming more desirable. And low-mileage units are attracting serious buyers. Because every year that passes, there are fewer Shadow Sabres left in excellent condition. That's just reality. And every motorcycle enthusiast knows scarcity creates value. The Honda Shadow Sabre 1100 may no longer roll off factory assembly lines, but its story is far from over. In fact, you could argue it's entering its second life, not as an ordinary cruiser, not as an outdated motorcycle, but as a modern classic. A machine built during an era when reliability came first. An era when engineers prioritized longevity. An era when motorcycles were built to be ridden for decades instead of replaced every few years. And maybe that's why the Shadow Sabre 100 still feels so special today. Because every time you hear that V-twin rumble, you're not hearing an old motorcycle. You're hearing proof that some legends simply refuse to disappear.